This sensational east and north-facing corner 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has sunny cityscape and sky views onto West End Avenue and beyond. This already combined home, originally a 2-bedroom plus an alcove studio, features great entertaining space with an expanse of nearly 31 feet with its large living room and dining areas, which are adjacent to the windowed kitchen. The primary bedroom suite is massive and luxurious. It features a dressing room with 3 customized walk-in closets, an enlarged bathroom with a double vanity and stall shower, and through gracious French doors, there is a separate home office study. Both additional bedrooms are bright and have great storage. One is adjacent to the primary suite, and the other is a huge and private corner room on the other side of the home. They share the renovated windowed bathroom with tub. Additional features include new white windows, oak floors, through-the-wall air conditioners in the living room and primary bedroom, fantastic customized closets throughout, and tasteful built-ins and bookshelves for display and storage. The layout's flexibility is superb. Please note that in the photos, the central bedroom is presently used as a 2-desk home office, and there's also a separate home office near the primary suite. The co-op permits the installation of a washer-dryer for combined apartments, subject to board approval. Schwab House is a fully serviced cooperative on the Upper West Side, one of the most desirable, vibrant, beautiful, and historic residential neighborhoods in Manhattan. It is conveniently located around the corner from Fairway, Citarella, Trader Joe's, the Beacon Theater, and the 1, 2, and 3 subway lines, and just across the street from Riverside Park with its playgrounds, bicycle paths, sports fields, and dog runs. For in addition to wonderful shopping venues and great restaurants, it is a very short distance to Lincoln Center and multiple cinemas. Schwab House features on-site management and 24-hour doorman, concierge, handyman, and garage, plus a gym, playroom, 2 luxuriously landscaped roof decks with panoramic views, a bike room, lending library, and an air-conditioned modern lobby. This great home is easily shown by appointment. Contact Dean Feldman to schedule yours.